Meaning of Edinburgh.
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 Edinburgh. Edinburgh is the capital city of Scotland, located in the southeastern part of the country. The name Edinburgh is derived from the Old English language, which means fortress on the hill. It is a historic and cultural city, known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and world-renowned festivals such as the Edinburgh Festival Fringe. The city is home to several landmarks, including Edinburgh Castle, Arthur's Seat, and the Royal Mile. It is also a hub for education and research, with renowned universities and research institutions based in the city.